mechanisms of size reduction. 1. Fractures. Crushing. 2. Chipping. Crushing and some fines. 3. Abrasion. Fine grinding. Ball mill operating principle. A ball mill is a type of grinder, used to grind using different sized balls. The working principle is simple. Impact. Attrition. Size reduction, take place as the ball drops from near the top of a rotating hollow cylindrical shell. This figure also shows. The ball mill operating principle is simple. 1. Impact. 2. Attrition. Ball mill. We can divide the ball mill into two parts. First compartment crushing, where there are grinding balls of large sizes. Chamber 1. Second compartment grinding, where there are grinding balls of small sizes. Chamber 2.